Without a doubt, the Shein gift card is one of the most desirable gifts among the female population. For a birthday, anniversary, or some other big date, all woman wants to get a Shein gift card number and PIN, which she can use to get a completely free Shein gift card. When a woman has a Shein promo code in her possession, she feels that she can do anything. In other words, for her from that moment on, only the sky is the limit. We know very well that every woman's favorite hobby, an anti-stress therapy or shopping, which she will enjoy the maximum with a free Shein gift card number and PIN 2022. In this video, we will reveal to you how to get the Shein coupon code, with the help of which your better half will get amazing discounts when shopping in their favorite store. Let's start with the tutorial. Open up your favorite browser and go to this website, empirecodes.com. On the home page of this website, go and search for Shein gift card. Click the first result link to open. Scroll down until you see this big button and click on it to open the generator. You can see all available amounts you can generate on the generator page. So scroll down and select the amount of your choice. Click on it and give the generator to do what it does best. Okay, the code's generated, but we can't see the last digits because it's hidden. To unlock it, simply click the Human Verification button and complete any survey of your choice to prove you are human and not an automated robot. Soon after you finish, the full code will be unlocked, and you can get the full working codes thanks to this generator.